Creating a folder in ClickUp helps organize your workspace by grouping related projects, tasks, and documents in a more structured manner. Whether you're managing projects for a team or working on personal tasks, folders provide an easy way to manage workflows effectively. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to create a folder in ClickUp. Log into ClickUp. Open your ClickUp workspace by navigating to clickup.com and log in with your credentials. Navigate to the desired workspace. Select the workspace where you want to create the folder from the drop-down in the top left corner. Access the sidebar. On the left-hand side of your screen, you will find a sidebar where your projects and folders are listed. Click the Add New Folder button at the bottom of the sidebar. Name your folder. A pop-up will appear asking you to name your new folder. Enter the desired name for your folder that reflects its purpose or contents. Select Folder Settings. ClickUp allows you to customize your folder settings, such as privacy and permissions. Adjust these based on who needs access. Create the folder. Once you've named the folder and configured its settings, click the Create Folder button. Your folder will now be added to the workspace and appear in the sidebar. Organize within the folder. Inside the folder, you can create projects, tasks, and subfolders for better organization. This ensures that all related content stays together and easily accessible.